What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be replacing my starter on the S2000, like I said. Due to the fact that it's fucked up. Let me show you guys the noise it's making. Hold on. So this is the noise it makes. Let me see if you guys can hear it. Yeah. Ugly ass noise if you guys heard it. If not, well, just know that it's ugly. So I'm gonna replace it, take off some of the stuff. Hopefully it goes smoothly, no issues, and yeah. If anything, I got some help with those two homos, and then, well, I don't know about this homo, but yeah, let's get to it.
Do it without a shirt,
Damn.
Oh, dude, you're
That's what's up.
I think I came like 10 times that. You're recording the whole time.
Over here, fucking hella.
Damn. All the gang's here.
Radio, I get Pandora too.
We got Andres back again. Alright. John.
Hello.
Mikey. Alright. And Luis.
Bring it into my mouth.
There we go. And Jordan.
my teeth are falling and shit. Like they're like barely holding on.
Alright. So I'm working on the rest and taking out the starter. Take out the fronts. Take out the alternator, moved it, and it is it's right there. I took out the bolts that are connected to it. I just have one more that's in there somewhere that I gotta get off in order to pull it out, and I gotta go from the bottom in order to do it, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, but getting it done. Hopefully everything goes right. Everything has been going right, and nothing goes wrong. Well, thanks for. I didn't know what to put down.
Just ask.
Nigga, you weren't out here.
So just, it's not like I'm using it for anything.
I don't know that.
You're just inconsiderate, dude. You don't let us know stuff.
You're just so.
Finally got the starter out. It was a pretty pain in the ass, but I got it out eventually. What? Yeah, exactly. That's right. Stay out of it.
I'm out of it, dude. That's why I'm over here.
Yeah, so we're gonna unsubscribe from Bernard. Oh shit, my bad, dude.
I don't need your subscription. Out with the old, in with the new. So, let's put this baby back in. This is the new one. Should be good, I'm hoping. As you guys saw in the beginning, it wasn't starting correctly. It was taking forever to make a weird ass fucking noise. So now, hoping this, if it's not this, I don't know. It's obviously an electrical issue, I feel it, but we'll see. Alright, I got it in. Just need to bolt it up and then put this back in the front. Put the intake manifold on and then it should start, but fuck, man.
A lot of work.
It is, it low-key is. But, you know me, I get it done. That's how I do. You know how I do it. This is probably gonna sell as like 2 hours for like a 30-minute job, so I'm getting paid.
Yeah, we're back here again. Here with the dumbasses.
Because it's not aligned right. So I have to adjust something else, but I'm not sure what it is.
So, you know, out here doing hoonigan stuff.
Yeah, I fell down.
Ooh. You got something
This
to
is
say,
my
Mikey?
Subaru right here. I vape. That's it.
Looks like we're out.
Almost there, Jack. Almost there. Oh fuck! Oh god.
Oh fuck.
So what car are you gonna get?
Challenger.
What?
You say you can't even fit in the seat, dude.
Still smoky.
Damn.
Lightweight, lightweight.
Really am recording though.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh
Well,
shoot.
yes.
No.
Helping out Bernardo full of some content here.
Showing everybody what goes behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Filter, what the fuck?
Yeah, it is.
That black one?
Oh no, that's aftermarket super race car filter, dude.
Bro, tell me, oh my god. He's like, yeah, I used to build race engines. I always hot rod all my cars.
Do you bleep out or is that?
No.
No? Oh, okay. I was like,
It's in the vlog. It's in the vlog.
that's what I was wondering. Do you bleep out? You could cut it out. You could cut it. You could
Bro,
cut.
that's how we talk. What are you talking
No,
about?
but
No,
in
because
YouTube,
some people find it offensive.
yeah, that's
Everybody's gonna find
different.
some shit offensive. I don't give a fuck. But
Yeah, on
anybody
camera
from San
people.
Diego is gonna know, like,
Yeah, fool, but they don't. People that don't from San Diego, they're
hey,
what?
you cut it out though.
That's what I told them.
That's a lot of editing.
Yeah,
Yeah, you guys.
it's okay. Just cut out the
Told them
whole
I have
fucking
the
part.
video.
Swole.
Soul Nation.
I can't help it.
You got stung too? What, Jordan got stung?
Not for real though. We're gonna eat.
Okay. This is the moment of truth. I'm assuming I have everything connected back. If not, I guess
We fucked.
yeah, I don't know what to. So it shouldn't make that noise that
If it don't start, valimos verga macizo.
moment of truth.
We finna see right now. We finna see right now. We know what the fuck we doing.
The bunch of pebbles are in my
We
car.
finna see.
And I was riding last time a
Oh,
motorcycle.
the battery's disconnected.
Oh yeah.
Connect the battery real quick.
Alright, do that shit.
You connect them, right?
I didn't tighten them down, but you see. Hey!
Right away.
In case anybody was wondering, we kind of know what we're doing sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. All the time. That shit started quick.
Give it a rev one time. Rev it one time on these hoes. Rev it one time. Ooh, turbo. I can't wait to get by, dude. Here we go. Rev that bitch.
So this is a cool car.
Y'all ain't about it.
Yeah, and then you got the supercharger right here. It's pulling up. Hell yeah. So it is done. I finished it up. It starts up quick, easy as you guys saw. Pretty happy about it. No more issues. It's good. It's good. I'm happy it worked out. Cool. I got it done. Thanks for watching this. I don't know if I'll end the vlog now, but if I do, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and then see you in the next one.